nothing good about the government.
Yeah.
So it is a plain fact that them people there, them just sit down and them just want PMP to come back in a power to do what only God he knows.
Just to set back
Free
the
for all
country,
system and walk back.
set back the country off a high interest rate from government paper so they can sit down, invest in a government paper, milk out the resources of the country, put it in an offshore account and live happily there with their family and have Jamaica as a dungle heap. That's nothing else than that's the motive, brother.
Facts,
Because
all
the
they think for
evidence is
themselves.
there. We have lived that life already, you know. So we can speak of it. That's what happened in the 90s and early 2000s.
But they say we have one more hotel strike this morning again. Idea strike.
Well, then can go and always go and go strike because hotel workers have nothing at all to do with the government. Those are private sector.
The private sector, the money employer.
So, them, but you know you have some stupid ass people.
No, they who don't go politicize it this morning. I bet you.
A beer at the mother.
You have some stupid ass people say the government now do nothing for the hotel worker them. And that's just how it is.
But you know, all these things happen though. You know, these things always create a chain reaction, you know. Because one hotel would have
they have a piece and then get this now, so they're going to try it on now.
Yeah, we can't understand. Politics media, why is it that you love labor right lives? Why you cantangerous and you not abide in place? Why you love labor right lives? So, me understand you don't want to learn something, but we are not done, so you can't learn nothing of your people at teach, you know. You come in like them people who didn't have a book who say, I am big. You leave labor right life alone, man, and move from here, so, because that's all you come do. You just sit down and you just want to hear what labor right have to say. And when the goodness of the country are gone, at least we get one PMP will admit the fact and say the labor government are do very, very well. God almighty,
Mario, focus, Mario. She can say up a focus. Focus, not pay him no mind.
He can see, but
up to the other day, Mario, up to the other day, I hear Mark Shield was saying that at the present moment, Jamaica have a more stable economy, a more stable political system.
Boy, I mean, the thing is, you know, Winston,
England.
The internet a beat you, Winston.
The internet have be act up, Winston. But the other day, you know, come to think of it, guys, the other day, me a challenge couple PMP.
I don't really want to give Mario and Winston because the project this morning and the message this morning is that we get live information that the mayor of the Westland Municipal Corporation is withholding funds from the councillor. And we are live informed that there's a war going on down there between the council and the mayors.
But that's not
on that topic, so we calling on the mayor. We get understand is what is happening to the public funds. What is happening in taxpayer dollars. We need to know what is happening with dollars and why taxpayer money has been withheld from the people of Jamaica.
Nathaniel.
So we have called for Minister Mackenzie to take a look down there, and Mackenzie, this is very serious. We get to understand that there's a form of corruption been going on down there. We can't continue, Mr. Mackenzie, to have these people being doing with taxpayer money in that manner.
But Nathaniel, the leader of the People's National Party, tell the PNP, mayors, councillors, and all of that, to withhold money if you don't do no government project, not do nothing at all. So, them a take when from them leader. The only smarter them supposed to can carry forward, but it set away. It just set away. You understand? Them are listen them leader. That's what they're doing. I saw them stay and them now go change. Look on the
Amendment into that act that governs the local authorities, the parish council. Because there need to be amendment in there that when the funds are dispersed, it's supposed to be used to do what is not supposed to use for. And if it is not being used for, it is used for. The mayor must be held accountable. We can't continue in this way.
but Minister, even if Minister Mackenzie intervene in it, there's nothing at all Minister Mackenzie can do than highlight it and let Jamaican people know.
To amend the act.
No, let
And
Jamaican
put
people.
measures in there so that when the money goes there, it's supposed to use for what it's supposed to use for. It is not the mayor must be held accountable.
Well, here somebody down in the chat said Minister Mackenzie did the pan nationwide. But I guess he was talking about it because them saying say a silly season. No. You understand? So as I was saying, like the Minister Mackenzie, him can only talk about it. Him can't beat them or tell them to do nothing at all. If they don't want to do it. That's just fact.
You
It's
need
just
to amend the act because that act needs to change. You need to amend.
yeah,
You
Nathaniel.
can't demand them have taxpayer dollars and spend that and do it like when they feel like them pleased with it. No go so.
Yeah, the law need to amend, but honestly to God, at something we are in it can't happen overnight. And it is just sad. It's just us now need to just like how we are doing now make people know. Say, look, when certain project need to get done, like how our lady Carleen the other day I talk about no water line at the Lucy market. We said to her, say, look, it's the mayor Lucy supposed to do that.
Most of the problem down there, Mario, is under the parish council. Most of the road them don't need repair parish council road. So they continue to suffer the people, man, to the people, and we put the blame on the member of parliament. It is not the member of parliament, the blame is the councillor. And the councillor may not hold the mayor to ransom. The councillor then sit down quiet and they don't come out and talk about this. The mayor can be held accountable.
Me not hear your plan, what you say?
Remember when a woman come talk, and me say, I saw no flip down them and no live in a shit. Everybody a tell me, no plank, no say that.
But the thing is, what me not understand Westmoreland, Hanover, then
So
keep
long,
on
niggas.
vote for the
You sure?
state.
So it's a case where then can't take them to court or something like government can't take municipality to court.
Government can't do it. The central government, there's nothing the central government can do. They'll come out and say, then give them the amount of money and show proof. And then the people of Jamaica, because they're elected representative. And the like say,
People.
Andrew can come and say, boy, you're fired.
No, we don't mean to fire them.
So hold on there. Hold on there, Mario. So who is responsible to investigate that entity?
The dirty IC.
So all of these government entities are compromised by the criminal organization.
Where IC is supposed to do, IC now do, them interested. And everywhere Andrew Wellness go, then they want like one sniff out Andrew Wellness scratches. That's all. The IC are doing, that's all. And where the PMP are doing, them not see it. They're not seeing it. You understand? Them not see it, because see the corruption, that's corruption going down there.
To certain other measures. I
So
think
they're
the Prime
not, so
Minister.
they're not one more.
I think the Prime Minister need to put the municipal corporation under the banner of Mocha to solve all these problems.
They need like a oversight committee to the municipality. Them you can say, come on, pull them up and say,
Then if
what
you
go on,
put
yes.
in than law in place that Mocha can have the attack to go down there and investigate these criminal elements that is down there and suppress the people.
Yeah, but Nathaniel, Mocha invest.
Whatever do they're not broke no law, then just not spending money.
Exactly, and that me just did answer. Then broke no law. Then
No,
just
they investigate. They don't sit down on the money and not spending. If it's a
exactly.
case where the money are missing and the work now go on, then we can say, all right, Mocha can go investigate. But if they sit down on it and not spending,
That not right. If we
but,
get the
you know,
money for the people to spend, they come for the people. Why you don't want to
yeah, but
spend the money?
you know who can hold these people
But
to task, Christopher? And the people
yeah,
alone can hold them to task. The people have to come out and go and bad.
People alone.
Remember me tell
People
yeah, but
alone.
And them have a way
Yeah,
people
for
have the
sure,
power. We
but
block road every day
for
till
sure,
they do
for
something.
sure, say
Every
Mark
day.
Gold, that's why I keep on tell people say Mark Gold is not a leader, because if you ever tell your council doing them those things, what kind of leader you is? Me see my craft market, what do you mean when something say promises that comfort to a fool? They me not see them a craft market that make the same promise say when time in from the next government, him a go promise them say him a go them a in focus. So how him make that promise and he say promises that
Him
comfort to
can't
a
do
fool?
anything, you know. He can't you like people. If you listen to him and take him to task, a man mouth can't say anything, you know.
Is it?
And him control it. And
You see,
people if you say, but wait,
but you
what
know,
do you
so
know
me
for
see
fool?
my
I
ask,
say
you can't
promise that
even
comfort
school
to a fool.
fool. I will school him the way where him a take picture of the pit him and the pit him and say boy I show what we are dealing with. You know see that video there?
No pitney at all like Mark Golden. No
Somebody don't like him, man.
pitney.
Eh? The
No pitney like
whole
Mark
Somebody
school
don't like
a
him.
show him say I show what them are deal with. Eh?
No, me
Him
can tell
say
you this. Majority of Jamaicans do not like Mark Golden. It's just that the
Mark
local
God is
nasty
nobody, my
scum of
friend.
the local
Keep
scum
on
of the
tell
earth,
people that
the local scum of the
not
earth, they call themselves comrades. Those are the set of people. We are talking about comrades. Because there are some people who say them are PMP, then still vote for Labour, right? Me are talking about the one them who say them are socialist comrades. You understand? They are the scum of the earth. And them you see I run up and down, no care what Mark Golden do. In the wrong. You understand? And
true.
it
Yeah,
is sad.
in the wrong. Yeah,
It's sad because
it's sad, brother.
Mark
I say
Golden,
it's
I
sad for
gonna
them
tell the
because
people,
they keep on telling them I mean Jamaican no good.
Mark Golden, I gonna tell the people them say the municipal corporation people them are all of them, the mayor them are sitting the PMP one them say, do not spend no money for the government look good. All the shit you mean Jamaica good and I do all of them something. Can that make sense?
Another because that for me, and the government must fight. It's not the government must
The
fight, the
people them
people.
are
Then all you
Jamaica.
can mean the people them good and you get the money for spending and they can.
And people
So
them
the
are
people them
Jamaica.
to wise up and see that the
And the
government that
people
give
are
you the money.
Jamaica, Christopher.
You
It
see,
will
that's why I say this thing need to highlight and show every minute. Because this thing is foolishness and very disrespectful. You feel to get things for the people, and you hold it and not spend it.
And it
So
is
it's wrong.
and it is alleged as well that why Portmore don't develop is because of PMP. No, not alleged. I swear you go. A PMP, the mayor, all of them. Don't want the government to do what them supposed to do. A
But
Portmore
Mario,
as well.
that means say you can see that our democracy is being hijacked.
I swear you go, my brother.
Our democracy is being hijacked, brother. Because
So
let me
that's
tell you
not,
something. What we must also understand. You see, our media houses in this country, they also are a vanguard of our democracy. And they are complicit in what is taking place in this country. Because I grew up in a Jamaica where media usually call out politicians and call them and interview them and discuss the people business with them so that the people can be served. But those days are gone as far as I'm concerned. You understand? Because if you hear that these things are taking place, even if it is alleged that these things are taking place, do some form of investigation and find out and clarify the matter.
them
But it
don't
is not
interested in
so.
that Winston. And the government, they're interested enough to carry down Andrew Wellness because Andrew Wellness ain't supposed to do in there. He's not supposed to do in there no time
Yeah,
at all.
yeah,
So they're
so,
interested in
yeah.
that. Andrew Wellness.
I am realizing that fact, Mario, that maybe all institutions in this country is all bent and taking down this government.
Them want carry down Andrew Wellness so bad. Because guess what? All of the people them from all over the world realize, say, look, this man here is a good man, is a great man. You understand? And this man mean him country good. Because this man moved Jamaica from a third world country to a developed country. You understand? And them the PNP do not like that. So that's one of the reasons. That is one of the reasons, you know, why them have fight against Jamaica to be a republic, because them have say Andrew Wellness now are gonna make Jamaica become a republic. And a Labour government are the one who make Jamaica get independent in the first place. You understand? Remember, you know, when Labour government when Jamaica get independent, you know, Labour government was the first that farm government, you know. The Labour Party was the first that farm government. So guess what? PNP bad mind and they don't like that. They want that them carry Jamaica in all of them glory. They always want their name for something where them name are relevant. When people are jump up and talk about a Michael Manley create NHT, a Michael Manley have nothing in just change the name. Same thing with equal pay for woman. Under the Jamaica Labour Party, 1944. But
Yeah.
guess what? You don't hear the media house, them get up and them and talk about it. Them quick
Yeah.
to say unjournalist, this and unjournalist, that I do. So them nasty, dirty and slimy and stink.
So Mario, the question to you now, my brother. Where we go from here?
I think our rules and regulation and law, all of those things, I think they need to change. God say I know, me think, because guess what? If the municipal corporations, them can't, local government can't hold the central government as hostage. You understand? Me not, God say I know it hard to see how it makes sense.
Yeah,
It's
that
hard
means
to see how it makes
that we need some constitutional change.
I think we need some constitutional change where the prime minister supposed to can do some executive order, do some kind of executive things where him can override any God Almighty thing we need to get done. I think that needs to happen. I that's just my opinion. I don't
Yeah,
know.
because I hear the prime minister speak to certain projects that they wanted to get off the ground in Portmore, and the municipality set out to deliberately sabotage in those projects by giving the permits. And then, like say the project is in any breach.
Exactly. So those are the reasons. I mean I tell you how PMP corrupt, you know. Look, if a normal man get up and a normal man say, boy, them a go do some kind of building. You quick, and if they not got parish council and get no approval or something like that, you quick. Parish council want shut them down them building and lock them up, lock up the people them if possible. And thinking dirty ear nails could have thief for people in land on a Lucy and build up building without approval of a parish council.
Yeah.
And yet still. Him
You
still
know-
let the thing run for government.
Mario, I remember when the prime minister was doing some road rehabilitation in St. Mary, South St. Mary, from the community of Broadgate to the grazing roundabout there where the sport ground is. And I remember those time Peter Phillips was the opposition leader. And several times he led delegation come out there, protesting, determined to lock down the site, And I know for a fact that whenever time major infrastructure development is taking place, resident, especially in a build-up era, resident must suffer inconvenience, right? We must suffer inconvenience in our sense. And one of the things where we get to realize now, when even the Chinese them start to do different, when you are rehabilitating a road and you maul the road and the barber green has not yet laid, and then keep on wetting the road, those are wastes of resources, Absolutely wastes of resources. If you get an oil truck and oil that road, if you oil that road, it is far much better and it hold on the dust for a longer period of time, more than 3, 4, 5 times in the day you have to use truck and wet it. Right? And that's the ploy that I see the Chinese now started to use. Using oil and oil the mall instead of using water, and it keep on the dust for a longer period of time. So I just don't understand. I don't understand, brother.
Well, it is just reality apply for we live, and these things that may I tell you, Winston, the Jamaican people, a lot of them, it's because they don't like to read, and enough of them have to boy they know nothing with politics but government. Nah, do nothing for them. These are the things they don't understand. that look, even when the government trying to do something and the local authority, which is the parish council, decides so they must stop the government from do something. The parish council can stop the government from do certain things if it help
Yeah.
uplift them.
Yeah.
And a lot of people have no idea about this. And I think this is what we need to do as a people and as bloggers and social media. And implore the government to come and point out these things. Make a lot of people know, because people in a Portmore never know, so the municipal corporation has stopped certain things and stop the government from the certain things. So I believe this is our duty now to point it out and even reach out to when the government ministers come on some of our platform. Let them know, say, look, let us deal with communication much better, because the PNP make people know what the PNP literally about and what is the PNP, what is it that they're doing to the people of Jamaica. You understand? I think that's what we need to get done.
Yeah. Yeah. So true. So true. Well, I may tell you, it tell you something. As much as though the JLP is in government, it is surprising to know how much power the PNP still wield in this country. Because I remember, and this is what I said to you, Mario, and this is fact. I remember when my member of parliament, Darrell Vaz, take us off the Windsor Castle all water system and attach us to the Itiboral water system in St. Mary. That's a German parish, right? I remember the level of sabotage that water project undergoing, even up to now, right? Every minute them turn off the pump. A matter of fact, when we just connect to the water system, the water pressure was so high and strong that it a bust a pipe. And if you know, brother, the water barely a trickle through the pipe. They turn down the system and then give us water when they feel like, right? We have to keep on calling the member of parliament, and the member of parliament have to call the person in charge for us to get water. Blatantly sabotaging. You hear me, brother?
Hey, Winston, may I hear you? May I
So
hear you?
these are the things that are happening right across Jamaica, because the PNP make sure say them put in for them people in all the various agencies and institutions in this country. So it is festive.
Me nah cut you, Winston, but remember, alone as somebody did said this, they're going to make up some civic committee, and they're going to make sure say all of them full of PNP people. And we just have to just beg to question, why is it that these people don't want good for Jamaica? Why is it that these people are trying to sabotage Jamaica? I just can't understand. Them fight for government so bad. They lie to the Jamaican people, because Portia lie to the Jamaican people and tell them, say them I met them can name Oxtail straight, non-stop. And then lie to the Jamaican people. And the Jamaican people then bite. And then put them in a power. And there was nothing that they could have do. One time Lisa and I have throw salt in the office of people who be her. And who be at the office. So she use salt for run out duppy. Next thing, Peter Bunting, I talk about, boy, the only thing can help Jamaica spirit is God. You understand? And these are the things when I talk about. PMP just want in a power.
Because listen, when Portia talk
That's
about
it.
Oxtail, I remember the speech, When Portia talk about Oxtail, all PNP run with it, right? And they not even realize without you have an economy and have employment, how you gonna eat Oxtail? So they are of the mindset that whenever time the PNP is in power, the PNP will mind them. And that's the mindset, brother. And it is so rooted and infested in this country that the PNP supporters believe that whenever time the PNP form government, they will get mining.
That's
Brother, it
just
is sad. And let me tell you something. May I tell you the honest truth? I am getting frustrated, honestly. I entered politics from 2007 until then. Me do walking campaigning, put my own personal resources in a politics and all of these things. And let me tell you something. I'm getting frustrated. Maybe me I think about to run a go another Caribbean country. God say no. Left me house and everything and just take a plane and left.
That's
Sad man.
but guess what? If PNP, if the Jamaican people should say them are elect PNP, put back PNP in power, I don't see reason why me to stay at Jamaica and a God say I know. It doesn't make any sense because everything that this government literally do everything I'll go back to BLA and me can't go, me just can't go live back through one life for me have to try where Jamaica have to go try build back after them done mash up Jamaica. Me can't go live through that, so better me just not there none at all.
Mario, I just want to make this point here. Sorry to cut on you. We have two different time in history, and as an example that we can draw from, no matter how dumb we are as a people. 1972 to 1980, when the PNP was in government, what happened to Jamaica? 1989 to 2007 is a clear-cut example again what the PNP has done to this country. And for heaven's sake, when will we learn as a people and as a country? When? This Prime Minister have made drastic changes to the whole landscape of Jamaica. And that not appeal to the Jamaican people. That not stopping on your track and say, come on, let us even give this thing an objective thought. Really?
But Winston, look at it this way, Winston. Remember, you know, back then what you were talking about, you know, Jamaica economy was growing 18, I think it was 18.5%. The economy.
Yeah, I know the growth figure.
That simply mean that the government can and could and should be doing for the Jamaican people because the government can make money. You understand? The government was making money. What happened? I would want to know what happened, what caused the government to move from there so to where if the government supposed to buy one slippers or one shoes, so the police are buying have to buy money to buy that shoes and slippers. Why how comes it reach there and it under the PNP government why it reach right there so where the government to borrow money and then these people hold on Winston, these people then sick. They are so freaking sick, them sick stomach. When them are come talk about the government this and the government had 18 God Almighty years to fix Jamaica and make Jamaica become something, be a developing state or something. They have 18 good years when every economy in the world are boom and are going good. And what did they do? Nothing but destroy Jamaica. That's all the 44,000 businesses run from Jamaica who analyze themselves and all of them stuff. And yet still, no, in this 21st century, the people at Jamaica say, all right, we're going to give them back a next chance and then give them back a next chance now the 4 year for redeem themselves. And all them do them come in and tax the Jamaican people $58 billion worth of tax and freeze the public sector wages. And what is it that they do? Nothing for the Jamaican people. And now they have all talk and everything where them say them can do for the Jamaican people. PNP need to go look up underneath them one another and lick out them one another. Because all them want to do is come destroy Jamaica. You understand? And me there, if I'm me alone for the on social media and walk up and down and preach for PNP not get back power, me alone I go do it. Because guess what? Jamaicans need to understand what PNP has done for this country. Destroy Jamaica and them do it so often and them do it so evil where the amount of people will lose their life because of PNP and the people them will love and doubt. That's the number one reason why you have so much of them become Batman and Sodomite because them love and doubt. Them don't like work for what them want. You understand? And so comes Jamaica is what it is today. Just because of them look dirty wanga belly people, them will jump up, say them a socialist and them a comrade. That's the number one reason why Jamaica is what it is today. Milan.
Yeah, because let me just show you an example. Fenton Ferguson, when he last election in 2020, he was going for 7 consecutive terms in St. Thomas, Eastern St. Thomas, I think it is. When I usually work in St. Thomas at the Red Ground, so I know exactly what I'm talking about. When you go to St. Thomas, you could not see nothing in terms of infrastructure and otherwise where Fenton Ferguson has ever done to that constituency. The Goodyear factory, prime real estate land, lie there in and the PMP couldn't come up with any plans or ideas for that space, right? The industry that was there, it is the very same PMP administration and PMP union who killed that industry and put people who was employed there out of work. Right? That company was making foreign exchange. It was also keeping foreign exchange in the country because it prevent we have to import motor vehicle tires. And that land was there throwing down for years. And one Andrew Michael Holding come to power with vision of building a nation. And look how that man transformed that piece of land, right? I know that land will create employment. It will create ease of doing business. So much thing that town center will bring to St. Thomas people. And yet still people are up in arms against the Prime Minister and against the party. I can't understand the thinking of our people. Honestly to God, I can't understand the thinking of our people. And let me tell you something, brother. I can't change my skin color. But, Virgin, I think I can change my place where I live. If it go back to where it's coming from. You are there?
Yeah, man, I'm here. I just was responding to somebody in the comment. Winston, you know, when you think of it this way, the Jamaican people, not all of them, because you have a lot of Jamaican people, them have them head on them body. And they do think. You understand? They think and them understand and they know what is going on. But listen, I can tell you this for a fact. You see, the one them where you jump up and call themselves comrade. You understand? And socialists, those are the people them where come in like some of the people them in the Middle East, so we just walk up with a bomb, wrap up around themselves and just do some bad. Those are the set of people. You understand?
Yeah.
That's how those people are. Them we do all of them things because guess what? They want PMP to come back in a power because them know that when PMP come in a power, then can go to a parish council and just walk up in there and just collect a check and know say, yes, my government do this to me. Me hear them look at shit them for one live. I mean I tell you all the look at shit them done. Me hear them for one live. I mean hear look at shit them and say, this is what they're saying. Why is it that the government is focusing on bringing the economy up to standard, fix the economy and get the NIR up and all of those stuff in power? Why is it that the government do that? Thank you, kids, sweetheart. Why the government do that? You understand? It don't make no sense. The government need to focus on the people them at the ground.